everyone, this is Avila and this is Ag Time. I'm with our bus driver, and your name is?
Juana.
Juana, and what did you think about these agriculture students going to Ventura College?
Oh, I'm so excited. They're a really good student. They deserve better opportunities.
And
I'm very happy to have them.
And thank you. Oh, hail to the bus driver. Without the bus drivers, we don't go anywhere. So I appreciate everyone coming on our agriculture adventure tour. And so really quick, can we give a big thank you to the bus driver? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. And that's Ag Time. We'll check with you later. Bye-bye.
What we want to do is we want you to just be able to go and see similar things that you're doing in your class right now. So unfortunately, Mike Clark, our welder, is not here today. We're gonna go see manufacturing. We're gonna see their awesome auto department. We're gonna go into architecture, which also has drafting and manufacturing. So you'll see all the 3D printing, SolidWorks, and Revit. And then we're gonna go down to the Applied Science Center. And this is a brand new facility that just opened here last year. So you guys are gonna have a really good time. They love when you ask questions, so definitely ask questions, and we'll have some handouts so you guys can see there's some certificate classes here that you can take. So if you wanna go get a job right away, you can do that. And then there's also classes that will go towards your AA if you wanna do something in drafting or in manufacturing, okay? So I think what we'll do is we'll head up the way here, and we will circle back down later on. So come on with me. We're gonna go up this way. You do, don't you?
What's going on, Chris?
Not too bad.
So what's going on? Tell us what's going on.
We're going to Ventura College, going to see their art center, their 3D art center too. It's gonna be pretty fun.
Exactly. All right. So what are your thoughts this morning, Brett?
Pretty excited to see some welding or auto shop stuff.
Anything else?
I think that's it.
Cool. Go on. 2 years. What's going on?
What's up?
You excited to see welding today?
I want to see automotive.
The automotive. Even cool. Anything you want to see in particular?
The manufacturing sounds cool.
What do you see, Richard?
Welding.
What's up, ladies? What are you excited to see today? You're so excited, you're speechless?
Yeah.
What are you excited to see
I like
today?
how you climbed in there to get the shot. That was good. You're dedicated.
What's going on, Lawrence?
Hi.
You're going to join the swim team here at Ventura College?
No. Cal Poly.
Cal Poly.
Hey, did you know you could go to Cal Poly by being a transfer student from here? Actually take classes here. And actually, the first year is free.
Really?
Yeah, the first year of community college is free. Like you could, yeah, right? You could just get like, what, come here for 2 years, boom, transfer to Cal Poly, save some money.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Morning class, which is my introduction to architecture, was doing a design of a coffee shop, and I want to show you the designs of their coffee shops that they submitted this morning. We just did our review to kind of get a sense of what we do.
Here, so you can make parts for aerospace, you can make parts for NASA type parts are made in job shops that go up to the Space Center, that go in all the different Mars rovers, everything that we send anywhere, everything that you're wearing, your phone, everything is made somewhere by someone. Machine in the video, so these are all Haas machines, and Haas actually builds these machines right here in Oxnard. Okay, so They are the biggest tool manufacturer in the world, right here in Oxnard, creating the tool paths that machine parts such as machine shop. It's all project based, right? So we do lecture here, we learn about different tools, we learn about the machines, but at the end of the day, we want to get out into the shop and we want to make stuff.
So engines, when I was going through the program, engines was absolutely one of my favorite classes. There's nothing better as a technician than rebuilding an engine and then starting it. He's gonna run. You guys want, you can take a walk around this vehicle right here. Test drive it? No test drive. Only instructor test drive.
Hey everyone, this is Avila and this is Ag Time. I am with my students touring Ventura Welding program. I took some students many years ago when I taught at Carpinteria here to learn how to weld. Anyways, we're on tour and here is Carpinteria Warriors welding booths here at Ventura Welding program. I love it. Rise Empire. We'll check in with you later. That's Avila and that's Ag Time. Ciao, ciao. Hey everybody, I just want to give a big shout out to Ventura Steel. Thank you, Randy. Our metals finally showed up for our shop class and we really appreciate it. Look how great this truck driver is. He's gonna back it in here. Here it goes. And we got sheet sharing in the background. Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.